Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to enable activating Google Assistant by saying "Hey Google" on OPPO Find X2. Firstly, go into settings, tap on the search bar and search up Assistant. Now go into Assistant settings, Hey Google and voice match, turn on, tap on this button. Now I'm just going to skip this part and agree to everything, but obviously you should read before agreeing. Now, as you can see, it has been activated, and now let's try if it works. Hey Google. Hey Google. Yeah, it worked. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.